Hello, this is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Dauntless. Let me show you a few things on the exterior of the boat. This boat comes with the gray gel coat, black decals, the white rub rail with the gray insert. Really matches the gel coat nicely. A little bit of spec information. The boat, of course, is 17 foot overall, 6 foot 10 inch beam. The hull only drafts about 11 inches, and you have a below deck 35-gallon fuel tank. We'll start here on the stern. This has the Mercury 90 horsepower. You have rod holders across the transom, jump seats that become a fishing platform, swim ladder with swim step on the port side. As you step up to the helm area, you have a live well, blue lined, that also serves as the helm seat. Your leaning posts can do multiple positions. As you move up to the helm, you have the nicely finished steering wheel, throttle, fusion stereo, USB inputs. All your switches are conveniently located right at the steering wheel, right in your line of sight, compass. As we step further forward, you see this boat is equipped with the cooler seat. Makes great use of space. You have the cooler storage. Also serves as a great place to sit with a great view of the water. In the bow area, you have a big bow cushion that folds in half. Beneath there is your anchor storage. All the way forward, you have a trolling motor panel, so you could add a trolling motor if you desired. As you see, this boat is equipped also with a bimini top. Well, that's a quick walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Dauntless. My name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call at 910-256-8100.